Ever wondered how significant sustainable gardening can be for our environment? This practice is pivotal in reducing our carbon footprint, providing habitat for wildlife, and preserving biodiversity. It's an eco-friendly solution that packs a punch. Sustainable gardening not only benefits our environment but also offers a rewarding and engaging hobby for garden enthusiasts. Now, you might ask, how can I start a sustainable garden? The first step is picking the right plants. It's crucial to select perennials native to your area, perfectly suited to local climate and soil conditions. Remember to always choose native perennials. They are the backbone of a sustainable garden. Having chosen the right perennials, the next step is to plant and nurture them in a sustainable way. Start by preparing the soil, adding organic matter for nourishment. Plant your perennials, ensuring enough space for growth. Implement water-efficient methods like drip irrigation. Remember, composting is key to a healthy soil ecosystem, and mulching helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Regularly check your garden for pests, using organic methods for control. With these steps, you can create a perennial garden that is not only beautiful but also sustainable. Once you've established your sustainable perennial garden, you'll begin to see the rewards. Improved soil health, increased biodiversity, and the satisfaction of contributing to a healthier environment are just a few of the benefits. And there you have it. The joy and satisfaction of growing a sustainable perennial garden is just a few steps away. Now that you know how to grow a sustainable perennial garden, why not start your own? Share your journey in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!